Good morning. Sun's almost on us today. Me and my princess warming up the old 05 Mercury 9.9. Beautiful day. Might try the little trolling motor out. I don't know. See how I feel. Looks like it's going to be a good day. Thank the Creator for another day on this beautiful planet. Get the almost on the spot now. Say hi, Avery.
Hello.
Somewhere right over there, we got our crab trap. Well, no luck in the old trap. Could have got scooped by some other mother pucker. Beautiful day. Wouldn't you agree, my dear?
Hello.
Well, I hope everybody's getting outside and enjoying some fresh air and some sunshine. And Malkin needs into y'all.